Hello everyone, welcome back to How Logical. In today's video, I'll be helping you learn how to hide friends on Snapchat. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start by tapping open your Snapchat application. Once you sign into your account, go to your profile at the upper left corner. Under Friends, tap on My Friends. You'll be able to see the list of the friends you've added on Snapchat till date. If you want to hide any contact, tap on their contact name, and once you do that, go to their profile by tapping on their profile picture at the upper left corner. Tap on the three dots at the upper right corner, and from the expanded menu, you'll be able to see that there's only block, report, remove, and other options, but hiding the contact. Unfortunately, there's no way you can hide your contacts on Snapchat. Snapchat don't have that feature whatsoever within the app, but you can instead mute your friends without them realizing. Now, in order to mute one of your friends, from this page, tap on Message Notifications. From the pop-up, select Silent, and if you do that, you'll be able to mute your friends on Snapchat without them realizing. After you're done, tap on Done at the bottom of the screen, and that is how you can mute someone on Snapchat instead of hiding your friends, which is not available on Snapchat yet. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was in any way, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.